Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Honda Civic radio error code 2008. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to reset the radio. Wait 5 minutes and then reconnect the terminal securely. Check the radio fuse and replace it if blown. Inspect the antenna cable for loose connections or corrosion. If prompted, re-enter the radio code found in your owner manual. If problems persist, try a factory reset. Begin by locating your radio code in the glove box or owner manual before attempting entry. Remove trim panels carefully using plastic prying tools to avoid damage. Look for a small label or card that holds the numeric radio code and keep it handy. When entering the code, use the radio interface buttons slowly and confirm each digit. If you lock the unit, contact a dealer or certified technician for reset assistance. Inspect the radio fuse panel under the dash or in the engine bay to find the correct fuse location. Replace a blown fuse with one of the exact amperage rating to avoid electrical damage. Test the antenna connection by unplugging and reseating the cable at the radio and antenna base. Consider performing a factory reset if available, but back up any presets first. If intermittent issues continue, seek a certified car electronics technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.